In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from one to another company file in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing multiple businesses or just need to navigate between different company files, this guide will walk you through the steps to ensure you can switch with ease and efficiency. To begin, you'll need to sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online login page. Here you'll see the option to sign in, so go ahead and click on that. This will prompt you to enter your credentials. It's crucial to ensure that you're using the right email linked with your QuickBooks account to prevent any login troubles. Once you've entered your email and password, click on the Continue button. Now, within QuickBooks Online, you're going to look for the Settings menu. The Settings option, often denoted by a gear icon, is located in the upper right corner of the interface. This is where you control a lot of your preferences and quick navigation options. Go ahead and click on the gear icon to open up the settings menu. This is your gateway to making all sorts of modifications, including switching company files. With the settings menu open, you'll find the option labeled Switch Company. This is very straightforward and designed to make toggling between your company files as seamless as possible. Click on Switch Company, and you'll be presented with a list of the companies associated with your account. Next up, scan through the list and choose the company you wish to switch to. Clicking on the company name will initiate the process, and within moments you'll find yourself redirected to the home page of the selected company file. This switch does not require re-entering your login credentials, assuming you're already logged in. It's a smooth transition that reflects QuickBooks' emphasis on efficiency and ease of use. Switching between company files in QuickBooks Online can significantly streamline your workflow, especially if dealing with multiple businesses or projects. Remember that staying organized and ensuring each company's records are kept separate is vital for maintaining clear financial records. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to switching between company files within QuickBooks Online. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher. Whether you're an accountant managing clients or a business owner juggling multiple ventures, this skill will undoubtedly save you time and help maintain smooth operations across different business fronts. Thank you for tuning in today. If this video helped you, consider liking it and don't forget to subscribe for more QuickBooks Online tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy managing.